Four byes, the ball goes wide of the stumps. Dot ball. The batsman looks frustrated. Dot ball. The batsman looks frustrated. Dot ball. The batsman looks frustrated. It's a no ball. Free hit coming up. A crucial dot ball. Slowing down the run rate. It's a no ball. Free hit coming up. Gone like a bullet. Too hot to handle. 4.
Not out.
A crucial dot ball. Slowing down the run rate. Dot ball. The batsman looks frustrated.
Not out.
They managed to come back for 2 runs. Umpire calls it a wide, extra run to the total.
Out.
Dot ball. The batsman looks frustrated. He's out. A big wicket for the fielding side.
Here comes the new...
Out.
And he's out for 0. A duck for the new batsman. And he's gone.
Here...
A crucial dot ball. Slowing down the run rate. Dot ball. The batsman looks frustrated. A crucial dot ball. Slowing down the run rate.
Out.
And he's gone. Big wicket indeed.
Here comes the new...
ball. The batsman looks frustrated. A crucial dot ball, slowing down the run rate. A crucial dot ball, slowing down the run rate. Dot ball. The batsman looks frustrated.